These faceless videos are getting millions of views, and these are the exact tools they're using. 47% higher engagement, 3x the time, zero camera anxiety, faceless content is dominating 2025. I've been testing tools for years, and these 6 have stood out as being top of the game. So let's dive in. And if you're building a business, a side hustle, or a faceless channel, subscribe right now, and I drop strategies every week. Look at these numbers from Social Media Examiner. Faceless content, 47% higher engagement. 68% of viewers prefer information over personality, and 62% of educational content will be faceless by the end of the year. And I know this works. Check out my video on starting a faceless channel for a complete blueprint. Today, we're focusing on the tools. First up, Kling AI, and this tool single-handedly changed my entire workflow. So watch this. If you paste your script, select your emotion, yes, your emotion, it generates the entire video, 42% higher retention than standard voiceovers. Why? The voices sound human. And here's a live demo. Motivational videos are very popular, especially on TikTok. So I'm going to create a 30-second motivational video to show you how it sounds.
The cost of hesitation is invisible. Until it's time, you can't get back. Start now, even quietly. Momentum favors the brave.
Videos created with Kling AI are seeing massive engagements across platforms. If you're interested in trying these out, I have links in my description down below. Tool number 2, CapCut. 37% of viral TikToks use CapCut. 64% of those, faceless content. And here's why it dominates. Auto captions are 96% accurate. Text-to-speech, 50+ voices. Templates specifically for faceless content. And the free version is insanely powerful. I personally used CapCut for a lot of my videos. And there's actually 3 versions of CapCut. There is the web version, there's a PC downloaded version, and there is an app. For a quick feature demo, watch how fast this is. Import a video, auto captions, add text-to-speech, export. Pro version, there's a lot more features, but honestly, start with the free version. Tool number 3, Captions AI. The 40% watch time boost. Videos with captions get 40% higher watch time. But Captions AI isn't just subtitles. Check this out, 99.8% accuracy. It's highest in the industry. 80+ caption styles, motion recognition, auto translation for 64 languages. You can do the same video with different caption styles or the same video with different languages and put it out in different countries. Videos with professional captions consistently see higher engagement rates. And real quick, if this is helping you out, subscribe and hit the bell. I test and share new AI tools for side hustles every single week. Now, for the next 3 tools, and these are absolute game changers. Tool number 4, Dcript. You can edit video like a document. Dcript flipped the video editing upside down. So watch this. You can edit the transcript, not the timeline. Delete a word, it removes it from the video. 74% faster editing according to G2. And I believe it, my 12-minute tutorials now take record time to edit. Some of the best features for faceless videos, overdub. So you can clone your voice, you can remove filler words with one click, screen recording with Zoom, and there's over 1 million stock assets included. Pro 5 is Inviz Elements. If you want to know what separates amateur from pro faceless content, it's sound design. Inviz Elements gives you 90,000+ music tracks, 120,000 sound effects, 2 million+ stock videos, all royalty-free and for commercial use. That means 1 subscription, unlimited downloads. I use this on my videos, and honestly, it's worth every penny. Tool number 6 is Centia, and it basically rocks the avatar and AI presenters, and it converts. So if you want a human element without showing your face, it's Centia. 140+ AI presenters. They look real, they sound real, and they convert real. Fortune 500 companies use this, and there is 85% reduction in production costs. Type script, choose your avatar, select the background, and done. This might be one of the most expensive tools that I'm going to list today, but I do believe that you can invest in your content. So this might not be the first tool that you invest in, but it might be a tool that you work up to. And I have another bonus tool today. It's called Runway, and this might be the future of faceless content. This is the next level AI video creation. Text to video, you type it, it creates AI motion tracking. It removes objects like magic, and you can style transfer between videos. 280% increase in creator adoption. Videos made with Runway get 2.3x more shares, and it exports in 4K. Here's a quick recap of the ultimate faceless toolkit. Kling AI voiceovers with emotion. CapCut, free editing, and it's a powerhouse. Captions AI is pro-level subtitles, but it also does short-form video editing with AI. Check it out. Dcript, text-based editing. Envato is Premiere Assets. Centia is AI for presenters. Runway is advanced AI effects. Here's the thing. This isn't just for YouTubers. For creators in different industries, teachers, real estate pros, Etsy sellers, all of this applies. If your face isn't your brand, these tools still make sure that your message hits. All links will be in the description down below. And here's your action plan. Pick 2 or 3 tools that fit your different style. Start with a free trial and create your faceless channel and your faceless videos this weekend, today. Drop a comment which tool you're going to try first, and if you haven't already, watch my complete faceless channel tutorial. If you're interested in other side hustles, you can watch this video here. Thanks for watching.